Hi guys, welcome to the video. Please remember that if you enjoyed this video, why not subscribe? And while you're at it, hit that bell icon and then you'll get updated every single time I upload a video.
Today we're going to have a look at one of the RAF £2 coins. Now, these haven't actually been put into circulation yet, and I'm not too sure exactly when, but at the moment you can still buy these in bunk, which is what we're going to have a look at today. Bunk means brilliant uncirculated. There are still some silver proofs available if you're interested in those. Head on over to the Royal Mint website to check those out. But today, like I said, we're going to have a look at the brilliant uncirculated. So if you buy this version from either the Royal Mint website or this version from the Westminster collection website, it'll cost you £10 plus postage and packaging. But Westminster collection also do their own version on a blue card, which is classic for them. It's a change checker blue card and it's a little bit cheaper. I think that it's £8.99, but you'll have to go over to the Westminster collection website to check that out. But you won't get it with all of the information like you get from the Royal Mint. But anyway, this is the front of the package in the classic Royal Mint handbag, and here is the back. But what I'm going to do now is open up my package so that you never need to open yours, but I can show you everything that comes inside. So there we go. I'll just get rid of the wrapping and we'll take a look now. So this is the front of the packaging, and as you can see, this is the RAF Centenary Vulcan 2018 UK £2 brilliant uncirculated coin. So stunning. And then we'll have a look at the back by here. So we'll just have a look at this literature by here. We'll actually get onto the coin specifications after we've seen inside. But just have a bit of a pause here if you want to read that, so you can read it at your own pace. So let's get into the packaging. So as usual, I'm just going to pause each part long enough so that you can pause it yourself, read it at your own pace as usual. And as you can see here, there's a lot of literature and images. That is a stunning plane. But so is the coin. Of the RAF series, this was the one I was looking forward to most. It's definitely by far one of the coolest designs. And a little bit by here about the power and grace there, the max speed, altitude and range of this fighter jet. And background to the front. So we'll have a look quickly at the coin specification, and then we'll have a look at the coin itself. So the denomination is £2. The inner alloy is copper nickel. The outer alloy is nickel brass. The weight 12.00 grams. Diameter is 28.40 millimeter. The quality is brilliant uncirculated. The obverse designer is Jody Clark, and the reverse designers Richard Talbot and Neil Talbot. So let's have a look at the coin itself. So we'll start off by here having a look at the reverse of the coin. There we go. RAF 1918 to 2018 Vulcan. That coin is stunning. I hope I can catch it well enough there in the light so that you can see just all the minor details on it. And now let's just have a look quickly at the obverse of the coin, because I do love the brilliant uncirculated coins so much. They're so shiny. I just love seeing them in this condition. So there we go. That's the portrait, the fifth portrait by Jody Clark. So this is my favorite so far. I'm really looking forward to the helicopter also. But yeah, let me know in the comment section below what you think of this coin. Have you bought any of the series? Are you collecting them in brilliant uncirculated, or maybe are you getting the silver proof? But let me know in the comment section below, because that always interests me. Please leave a like if you enjoyed this video, and please subscribe for future content on coins. Thanks for watching.